Bun vibro season part kijing bitip nam ta khubor like kam ta kane ka video komentar idon artali ki khubor like kam ki bangan pentip kawe ka de nam ta kampion ka de tang nam tai kan the te ngap ba ki bakwa ban apply nam ta kane ka de ka work interview ko ba phap dai be ha ka tugas ni direct way the interview ber ka de contractual mo a work interview is invited from eligible female candidate tang nam ta ki female candidate mo tam tai kan the to the post of peon multitasking assistant on that office of district mission coordinator Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan West Jaintia Hill district West Jaintia Hill on daily wage basis for an initial period of 59 days kemudian ba kane kontrak kada san khnai sngi but sa renew biang apo takamta lakut san khnai sngi renew biang san khnai sngi and to be renewed accordingly subject to satisfactory performance of work peon multitasking assistant tangkaway take age kada life arts name 32 years of relaxation of 5 years for ST mungkin dan relaxation yang stance name udah life news name minimum qualification kadai class 12 pass class 12 senang baik take a date and venue for work interview kajaka bat kapor kadai khasan tarik Desember arjar fly at the office of the district mission coordinator West Jaintia Hill district Jowai kapor kadai khandai sitang step kan mau kadai ka work in interview kadai direct interview baik kan mau wan penbiang ki dokumen ki baro ki bade nam tagane ngatrai fil aktif hil da fi apply kam ki dokumen ki bapidon kam ki SCST ki mark sheet ki certificate ki baro experience ladon photograph tater the certificate document in original are to be produced at the time of interview baro fi habra ki original rangkat bat ki photos photocopies ki fil da self attested cara lang kemudian ba kaporo village lara ekta baro photocopies ka standard form pendap standard form habra lang ka tasngi rangkar barki original candidate should register themselves on the date of interview ha ka tu kasngi hi pihaban register ma nadu khantai sidang ru post sidang tang ka por ki airport te kana pa pai kloi no registration will be entertained after 10:30 am there shall be a process of scrutiny and screening of the application and selected candidate will be allowed to appear for the interview te bagajing scrutiny ka to kasngi hi mahang dai klem ong ki tho beta on the date of interview de khasan trek tegin scrutiny shwa dala ki bala ban long sap la ban po shik interview la ki bombiang ki bro ki dokumen tekinam sha ip ban lai shaka interview te sa ka we pat ka post kane ka dai ka front office coordinator ka dai po West Khasi Hill district mo kane kane ro ka dai ka walk in interview te skap ha kane application are invited from eligible and interested candidate who are citizen of India to appear for a walk interview scheduled to be held on the 20 December arpo tarik jong panai December kadai in the office of the district legal service authority West Khasi Hill district Nongstoin tekan a contractual basis 1 year then second yang front office coordinator one katulok kadai arpo 2000 sanspa bachelor minimum qualification the bachelor degree from any recognized university with diploma in computer application kan mau ke balai ke interview di bandon ya ka diploma in computer application amdei ma tangka certificate course kadai ka diploma ma from a registered institute having working knowledge in computer software like MS Office, Internet, each as per existing government rule. Take a work interview, kadai ka venue, kadai office of this district and session judge, West Khasi district. Date and time kadai R4 December, arja apply from 10 AM onwards. Chipo baje senang. Take a rule and responsibility, non kam, take general instruction, gini rupiah pendap pihak standard format, rangkat ki dokumen baru, bilang self attested. Tehangne pihak penong ong ba. Self-addressed envelope with stamp of RS5. Candidate should also clearly mention their contact number and email ID for communication purposes. Dari pihak dan kamro eka stamp haka envelope serta eka kata kabasan ningka pihak ban tiet yuta tab igi dokumen ke baro hapo kata ka envelope. Pada mention bahai nomor pada email ID. Registration of candidate will conducted on 20. Teka registration ro candidate pihak 20. Teka interview ro haka 20 tekin sampai haka tu singi tegi ba syarjak ke besha isa tada kemau ki dokumen baro pihak berabat original haka tu singi tegi photocopies pihak submit laga jong tegi original pihak nam taka interview te tanggi nehi ki bakwa aban late nak interview kan mau ka tarik buat penbiang ki dokumen baro tegi result ne ki ong ba display be chapo ka official website jong ka district and session judge West Khasi Hill Nongstoin dan dalam adap interview bede bisa kan mau ban cek hapo kane ka website nongstoin.dcodes.gov.in tagi ne jing betip kulishbun